All right, guys, we're going to do a real fun activity. Mr. Fleming, Miss Gorman, and I, we're going to go around the school, and we're going to ask you, and this is going to be a quiz that you can take during the video, okay? We're going to estimate distances of inches, feet, and yards as we go around the school, all right? So just a little review. Something that is an inch is only one of the top of my finger, 1/4, one paper clip. It's not very big, okay? 1 inch. 1 foot is 1 ruler, think of the foot long at Subway, or your arm from your elbow to your wrist. All right? Keep all these things in mind as you take your quiz so you don't get confused. Last one, a yard. Okay, it's like a human adult arm here, there. I have my orange yardstick. All right, it's got 3 feet in it, or a baseball bat. So think when we ask you these questions, remember all these distances. Okay.
Mr. Kaywood, I bet you're so strong, you could throw that football 200 yards.
I'm blushing, Mr. Williams, that you think I could throw it that far, but I'm going to try to hit that pole. I want you guys to tell me, do you think that pole that I'm going to try to hit is 40 inches, 40 feet, or 40 yards? Way off. Still got the distance though.
The answer was 40 yards.
What's up, y'all? I'm here with Miss Sanchez. You know, she should have a paintbrush. Do you think she has one? Miss Sanchez, do you have a paintbrush?
I just so happen to have one right here.
Oh my God, it's magic. How long do you think this paintbrush is? 1 foot, 1 inch, or 1 yard?
The answer is 1 foot.
Mr. Kaywood?
What are you doing? I'm taking a nap. Jeez.
On a
Miss
dirty
Gorman.
bench? Get
This is where I
up.
always take my naps. Outside in the cold. This is a nice bench. Speaking of this bench, Miss Gorman, do you think this bench is 2 inches long, 2 feet long, or 2 yards long? Hey, my sleeping bench is 2 yards long.
Y'all, I got a joke, right? What happens when a cow doesn't shave?
I don't know.
I never shave.
She grows a mustache.
Wait. Mine's is even better. What kind of meals do math teachers eat?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Square meals.
That's
Like
a
a
good
shape. Oh, man. Speaking of math, how tall do you guys think this milk is? Do you think it's 5 inches, 5 feet, or 5 yards? What do you guys think? Hey, Mr. Fleming, how tall is one of those milks downstairs?
5 inches.
Thanks. Miss Gorman, you are so much better at basketball than Mr. Williams. You know, speaking of basketball and free throws, do you think that a free throw is 15 inches, 15 feet, or 15 yards? What do you guys think? Hey, Miss Gorman, how many feet is a free throw?
15 feet.
Thank you.
Oh, Mr. Caleb, what's wrong?
Read the sign, Mr. Fleming. There's no school until April 10th. Speaking of the sign, Mr. Fleming, do you think that the length of this sign is 7 inches, 7 feet, or 7 yards? What do you guys think? How long is the sign that makes me cry, Mr. Fleming?
That sign is about 7 feet.
7 feet. You heard it first from Mr. Fleming. Music? Sounds like Mr. Fleming's jamming out in there. Let's go check on him. Make sure he's okay. Mr. Fleming, that's some pretty nifty drumming you're doing. And what's that thing called?
This is a cajon.
A cajon. Mr. Fleming, we've been doing measurement, and I'm trying to figure out if that cajon is 2 inches tall, 2 feet tall, or 2 yards tall.
What do you think?
Mr. Fleming's cajon drum that's always making a racket next to my classroom is 2 feet tall.
Oh, that's That's a pretty cool instrument you're playing there, Mrs. Lundeen.
Thank you.
What's that thing called?
It's called a xylophone.
Xylophone, eh?
I wonder how long that is. We've been doing measurement in math class, and I'm trying to figure out if that's about 22 inches, 22 feet, or 22 yards. What do you guys think?
That's a very good question.
Hey, Mr. Fleming, how long was that xylophone in Miss Lundeen's room?
22 inches.
Thanks, Mr. Fleming.